Hello my lovelies, let's start the story and then you'll know why I'm so excited. So I went to Hong Kong many moons ago and I managed to find a Marc Jacobs handbag in Hong Kong. It wasn't an original Marc Jacobs, so I've been hunting one that I really like. Most people say coveting, don't they? I say hunting. And I came across more than one actually. I came across the tote bags. You can get tote bags that aren't original, so I just like, nah, I think I'll leave that. And loads of them. And not only that, I read the reviews on a couple and it said that they look cheap, and what they do is they fold them down flat and you can never get them reshaped. So I came across this one and this one is stunning. At first I wanted it in dark red. I'll show you what it looks like in dark red, but the reason I bought this handbag is because I bought my DKNY handbag from Vinted and it is falling to bits. I'll show you at the end. It is falling to bits. I mean, it wasn't in the best condition when it came. I really liked it. I thought it was a really gorgeous handbag, and what I'm learning about Vinted at the moment is not going down well. You know, things are going to people with dry rot, and it's like, no, I'm never going to get another handbag from them. I've got 2 handbags from them so far, the DKNY and then the shopper, and I don't really particularly like either. So I'm done with Vinted. I know, I thought I'd never ever say I'm done with Vinted. I feel like I could get nice things in the sale without actually going to Vinted. So I took it off my phone, so you won't see any Vinted hauls, I don't think. But buying handbags, yeah, you definitely won't see me doing it. And it's 2 minutes in, let me show you this absolutely gorgeous handbag that I bought. Right, so I've left it in the plastic. I left all the tags on so you can see it's brand new. It only came today. It came about 3 hours ago. I wanted to keep it all on as new. Oh my gosh, the Marc Jacobs, the mini handbag, it is so nice. It's not for everyone just because of how small it is. Normally I don't like a small handbag, but this is perfect for when I go into the city centre. Still got the packaging in, so we've got that. I'm going to keep all that because, like, when I'm not using it, I can use it to reshape it, can't I? Then we have the little dust bag. Let me see if I can show you without opening it up fully. Ooh, it's falling. Right, so that's what it looks like. I don't want to open it fully because I want to put it back in this little bag. Is anyone else like me? Just like to have things how they came. Yeah, so I will show you the one that I had my beady little eyes on, but I did a lot of research on this particular handbag. I went onto YouTube and saw people unboxing it, saw people like just showing it on shorts, and I just thought, yes, that is the one, because I've got a long brown coat and it will look lovely with that. I wear a lot of brown in autumn and winter, but this is an all year round bag. The only thing that I can see people might not like is this bit. This is for your credit cards. I'm not too sure I'm going to put credit cards and debit cards in that section, but I'll put like reward cards in there. And then you've got a little section here. You can put a small bottle of perfume in there. You can put a lipstick in there. I'm going to show you in a minute. And then this section here is meant for your phone. And then you've got the authenticity card there as well. I need to keep hold of it just in case down the line I want to sell it. But I did get a really great deal. I got it in the sale. And then on the strap it says Marc Jacobs all the way around it, just to prove that it is actually a Marc Jacobs true original handbag. Now they do have one called the duffel, and I really like that as well, but they didn't have it on the site that I got this from. And then it says here, what does it say? My other bag is the tote bag. You might not be able to see it, but yeah, I really like this. I thought to myself, is the strap going to be long enough? Because I saw people wearing it, but the strap on it didn't look long enough. Anyway, let me show you.